How's it going, everyone? First off, I just want to say thank you guys so much for placing an order. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys a quick tutorial, some tips and tricks and everything like that so you guys aren't confused. One thing is, sorry about the lights on the side. I couldn't figure out how to have good lighting without those two being turned on, so I do apologize about the glares. But starting off, so you have three buttons right over here. You have select, start, and then FN as in function. On the side, you have R, the small one. So this is like a restart button, and then you have your power button right over here. If you look at the ports, you have three ports. The left one is going to be your charger port for plugging in your cord to charge the device. Middle one is going to be an auxiliary input, so like headphones, and then the right one is an OTG port. That's like if you want to plug in like a Wi-Fi adapter or something along the lines of that. So to start off, to turn on the device, you hold down the power button, right? Now the device is on. So to turn off the device, you're gonna hit start, go all the way down to quit, and then shut down system. Imagine this like a computer, right? So you could always just hold down the power button and turn it off, but you don't wanna do that. Like you wouldn't do that with your regular computer. So just to be safe, whenever you want to turn it off, you can just push it once and it's essentially in like sleep mode. If you push it again, it'll turn back on, but to fully shut it off, just hit start, quit, and then shut down system. So another thing is to change your themes, you're gonna hit start, UI settings, theme, and then you have all these themes to choose from. Some of you guys might have different sets of themes. I kind of switch them around here and there, but that's how you change your theme. So if you look right over here, the newest update on the system is February 23rd of 2024. So what does that update get you? So now you're able to use the function button right over here, the one on top. So let me show you guys. So one of the main purposes is it's a fast forward button. So if you launch a game, right? Let it load up. If you hold down the function button, it essentially fast forwards, like cut scenes, everything like that. Let's say you launch a game and you want to exit out of the game. So you're going to hit function and then start at the same time. Sometimes you have to press it twice, and then it essentially closes out of the game and takes you back to the home page. Another thing the function button can do is if you want to pull up the in-game menu, what you're going to do is, this is for every console other than PSP. So hit function and then hit X, and then it'll pull up the in-game menu. So the way you save your games is you pull up the in-game menu, so function and X, go to save states, pick which save slot you want, and then you're going to hit save state, and then it'll load. It'll save into that state. And then if you want to load your progress, same process, but this time you're going to hit load state, and whichever state slot is selected, it's going to load that state. So now let me show you how PSP games work. So I'll launch Dragon Ball Z. So to pull up the in-game menu and save your games, it's function and X for every console besides PSP. To do on PSP, you're going to click the right trigger. When you click the right trigger, it's going to come up with these 5 save slots. If you want to save your game progress, all you have to do is hit B on the actual save slot, and then boom, it saves your progress. And to load into it, all you have to do is click on the picture. So let's say you want to load into slot 1, hit B on the picture, and then hit load state. And then it's going to load that progress. And then same thing if you want to exit out of the game, hit function and start. So let me show you how DS games work now. So launch a DS game. So the function button, DS kind of operates different than the other consoles as well. So PSP and DS operate a little bit different compared to every other console. So let me lower the volume. So the function button on DS will actually switch between screens. Don't forget you do have the back triggers. So another way you can switch between the screens is if you click this trigger, you can get both of them on top, right? And then if you click the right trigger, you can switch between scenes. Left trigger goes back to one of the screens, and then right trigger will switch between the screens. And then same thing with the function button. Now, to save your games and load your progress and exit out, instead of function and start, you're gonna hit the left joystick. So click the left joystick, and I know it's small text, but if you go down, there's a load state and then a save state. And that's where you can save your progress and load your progress. And at the same time, if you go at the very bottom, there's an exit button. Click on that, and then it takes you back to the home page. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys do have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Again, thank you guys so much for supporting. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day.